A very good morning to all my class 5 students. Feeling great to be back with you all once again. I hope you all are doing great at home. Today I am here to take you to the world of stars, galaxies and planets. Let's all get ready for traveling in the space. Universe is everything that exists. It consists of whole space where we live, like Earth, planets, countless stars all together. So today in chapter 14 of your GK book, we are going to learn about our universe. So here comes first heavenly body, asteroids. They are the tiny planets which revolve around the sun. They are the rocky bodies. So you have to match it with option D of column B, tiny planets like rocky bodies that orbits the sun. So next is galaxy. You must have heard about this term galaxy. It is a group of millions of stars with gas, dust and dark matter. So there are million, or you can say billion of galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy has billion of stars. So it will go with option A, a group of millions of stars with gas, dust and dark matter. Now the third is light year. It is the distance covered by light, that is 1 year at the speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second. So it will go with option E, the distance covered by light, that is 1 year at the speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second. Children, as we know, there are millions of stars. Some are big and some are small. They give out their own heat and light. Sun is also a star. But have you ever thought why sun looks big while other stars look so small? Let me tell you. This is because other stars are far away from Earth as compared to the sun. And one thing more I want to share with you. You all know that stars glitters every time, but we can see they are glittering only at the night time, not during the daytime. Why? Because during the daytime the sunlight is so much that it is used to hide the light of stars. So these are the two interesting facts that I have shared with you related to the stars and the sun. So now we have our fourth heavenly body, Milky Way. I want to tell you, where do we all live? We all live in Earth, we know that. And you know Earth is a part of which galaxy? It is a part of Milky Way galaxy. So if somebody asks you, you live in which galaxy? You have to answer, we live in Milky Way galaxy. So Milky Way galaxy is a band of light that is seen mostly in the night sky, which is formed from millions and millions of stars. So please, it will go with option F, the last option of column B. Eclipse occurs when the sun, earth and the moon comes in a straight line. It is of two types, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs when moon comes between the earth and the sun, and lunar eclipse occurs when earth comes between the sun and the moon. Children, you will study about the topic eclipse and its types more about in your science subject later on. So eclipse will go with option B. It occurs when sun, earth and the moon are in the straight line. Now we have at the last, pole star. Pole star is the brightest star which is very near to the Earth's north pole, and it does not move. It is fixed at one place. So it will go with the C option of column B. So this is about this chapter 14. Let me recall once again. Asteroids will go with option D. Galaxy will go with option A. Light year will go with option E. Milky Way will go with option F. Eclipse with B. Pole star with A. There is one fact file which is written at the bottom of the page. Children, you know these three planets, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus, they are the gas planets. They are mainly made up of gas. So you won't be able to walk on these three planets because they have no solid surface as the other planets have. So I hope you must have enjoyed this lesson universe, and you never know, maybe any one of you will become an astronaut tomorrow and make your school proud one day. Let's see. And one thing more I wanted to tell you, this was my favorite topic when I was of your age. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Let's come to the next chapter, chapter number 15, our body system. There are many organs which are present inside our body, and when certain organs work together, they form an organ system. And every organ system performs different function. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the different organ systems and their particular functions. So the first one, it is written here, the system which is made up of the kidneys and the bladder. It is the body waste disposal system, and this system removes all the unnecessary or dangerous materials from the blood. So the organs that remove waste from the blood is known as excretory system. So the first answer is excretory system. In this, kidneys and the bladder plays a major role to remove all the unnecessary materials from the blood, or you can say it purifies the blood. So the answer of the first is excretory system. Second, I hope you can easily guess the answer of second because this we have done in our science subject also. The system protects our vital organs such as brain, heart and the lungs. It gives shape to our body, and we have done this. The framework of bones give shape to our body, and so it is called skeletal system. So second is skeletal system. Third, this is also done in our science, one of the chapter, I think it was chapter number 4. The system which is made up of the brain, spinal cord and thousands of nerves. And the brain plays a major controlling system throughout the body, and this all is called nervous system, which connects the brain to the nerves through the spinal cord. So third is nervous system. Fourth, the organs which help us to take oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide from our body is called respiratory system. So the fourth is respiratory system, and lungs play an important role in taking in the oxygen which our body uses to produce energy from the food. So fourth, I am repeating again, respiratory system. Be careful while writing the correct spellings. Let's come to the fifth one. Organs that control the flow of blood in the body. So the system which is made up of the heart, blood vessels and the blood. So it is the system by which oxygen and nutrients reach the body cells and waste materials are carried away. So in all, it controls the throughout circulation of the blood in the body. So it is circulatory system. Next, sixth, the system which is made up of more than 600 muscles, and the muscles help us to do almost each and every action. Muscles along with the bones play a major role in our body. They help in pumping blood throughout the body and lifting a heavy backpack. So the system which involves muscles is called muscular system. Sixth is muscular system. Last one, the system in which food that we eat every day to get energy, the food which is broken down into a fluid from which nutrients that the body need can be absorbed into the blood, is called digestive system. So digestive system break down the food into a fluid and takes out all the essential nutrients which our body requires. So this is digestive system. Seventh one. So let me repeat all the answers once again. First is excretory system. Second is skeletal system. Third is nervous system. Fourth, respiratory system. Fifth, circulatory system. Sixth, muscular system. Seventh, digestive system. I hope you all have written in your book with the pencil and very carefully with the correct spellings. Children, there is one fact written at the bottom of the page. Small intestine is longer than the large intestine. It is 3 times longer than your body. And major part of our food is digested in the small intestine. So read the page carefully, 14th lesson and 15th lesson. And I'm giving you one more work. On the next page, there is one unit test 3. Please try to do this by yourself. This is related to all the previous pages. In my next class, I'll be sharing all the answers of this unit test 3. Till then, take care. Goodbye.